Oh, I remember that. Yeah, I do. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, and to my left, I have Mr. Parker. He did such a fantastic job last time that I walked into the production department today, and I said, Parker, come with me, and here he is. And also, to my left, in front of Parker, is a very, very, very powerful system. I had to think of the words to say. I really didn't have any words to say because it is very, very powerful. But that's why Parker is here. He is going to talk about this system. He did some cool stuff up here. I'll let him talk all about that. I'm just kind of here for the looks. No. But beyond that, let's go ahead and dive right into it, shall we?
Hey guys, so we got this fun, gigantic workstation system here. It's a water-cooled dual 16-core Xeon system. Most likely it's going to be a workstation, which is why we have these four wonderful RTX 8000s, which destroy any workstation task they can throw at it, along with those 16-core Xeons. For cooling, we have the default coolers on the cards, as well as a AIO custom-built water cooling system. With the SwiftTech all-in-one cooler. All of this is powered by one of these gigantic 1600 watt AX1600Is, and it's running about 128 gigs of RAM. Particularly, you may notice that the NV links are not connected to each other, because for the Quadro cards, you aren't required to connect them if you're running workstation stuff. Now, if you're in a gaming aspect, you may want to connect them so that your cards are connected together and can communicate with each other. Real quick, I forgot to mention, all of this is running in a 750D with an X299 Sage holding all of that stuff together as the motherboard.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is going to do it for this AVARigs. As always, thank you for tuning in. Thank you to Mr. Parker. Did you talk about the loop you built up there? I did, actually. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Whoops. But anyways, thank you again, Parker. I always appreciate it. And thank you for tuning in and watching. If this is a system that interests you, as always, you can go to our website at avadirect.com, or you can call into our awesome sales team, and they will be able to help you out every step of the way to build a system of your dreams. But beyond that, have a great day. Stay warm because it's cold, unless you're on the West Coast, then, lucky. But beyond that, have a great weekend, and we will see you next time. Goodbye. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.